Hey everyone, welcome to the new BoloSign tutorial. Have you ever wished you could make a change to a PDF template for a specific use without messing up the original template? With BoloSign's Create Document feature, you can do that exactly. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how it works, why it's useful, and how you can manage the responses from your new document all while keeping your main template intact. First of all, towards the left-hand side, you'll be able to see this document section. Click on that and go to the PDF template section. So in the PDF template section, you will be able to see the previously created PDF templates in your dashboard. For example, I would like to create or reuse this particular template. So I'll click on the three dots action button over here and select create document. So once I select create document, I'll be redirected to this particular template. Here you will be able to see all the fields that were already created in the particular template. So we'll make the changes that we require in this particular document. For example, right now I'm going to add this particular option to collect file from the notary. So I have added this particular option and the change has been made. So I'll now send this particular document. So this document has been sent successfully. So next what we'll be doing is we'll go and check if the change has been reflected in the original PDF. So go to your PDF template section and then click on the edit template of that particular PDF, and you will be able to see that the changes that we made is not reflected in this original template. Now in order to view the changes that we made and to manage the responses of that particular document that we created, you will have to click on the responses section of that particular template. Once you click onto the responses section, you will be able to see the template that we just sent. So click on the actions icon over here and click preview. And here you would be able to see the change that we made with the new added field over here. So in this way you can create or reuse one particular template multiple times with the necessary changes that you want without actually making that particular change in the original template. So I hope this video would have been useful to you. Thanks for watching.